How to rent a stump grinder. To remove a tree stump from your yard, you can hire a landscaping service or you can rent a stump grinder. While hiring a service is the better choice if you have a couple of tree stumps, renting a stump grinder is cost-effective if you can split the rental cost with neighbors or if you have 3 or more stumps. Use the online American Rental Association directory to locate stores near you that rent out stump grinders. Enter your city or zip code in the Find a Store tab. Stores will not be categorized by rental type. Locate stores renting power tools and landscape equipment. Check with the Better Business Bureau to ensure the dealers are in good standing with no complaints on file. You can also contact home improvement centers such as Home Depot that rent tools. Ask about fees to deliver the stump grinder to your house, since the equipment is very heavy. Find out if goggles or ear protection is included. Choose the right type of stump grinder. Models include walk-behind, self-propelled and tracked grinders. Some are intended for rugged terrain, others for landscape yards. A good rental agent will help you find a suitable model. Arrange the rental terms and pay the deposit. Make sure you know when the stump grinder will be dropped off and picked up, what maintenance and cleanup you will need to perform, and any liability costs in case of damage. Tips warnings. Always use a stump grinder with ear protection and goggles to avoid getting chips in your eyes and to protect your ears from the loud sound.